What's up, traders? This is Ray from Price Action Limited, and with the new year, we are with the good news for all of you guys. We are very happy and delighted to announce that we have written a book where every bit of details are included about how the institution trades and the bank trades. So this is the daily chart of 𝐬𝐸. We are anticipating that price will drop within the mid of February. We have analyzed the market with a wake-up concept, and we have discovered that it's a clear distribution types 2 schematic. At the very beginning, we saw preliminary supply, then we saw buying climax. After that, we had automatic reaction, then other series of things such as secondary test, upthrust, and finally the upthrust after distribution. We took the entry right when we saw this move, and later we took multiple entries on 𝐬𝐸. As wake up is one of the most powerful strategy we use in PFX, the wake up concept is also briefly discussed and described in our book. So let's give you guys a glimpse of the long awaited holy grail. Forex strategies that pays bills, and it will pay yours also. Now these are the contents you will have in the book. This book will walk you through from basic knowledges to advanced information about the market. And the cool part is you won't be able to find these informations anywhere else like we described. As we were saying about the wake up, the 4 types of schematics are solely described at the wake up sections. We analyzed a lot of trades using the concept of wake up. As you can see, we analyzed this gold 4-hour chart. We have fully broke down the different parts of wake up here. This gold trade gave us a whooping 440 plus pips. Trading gold with wake up will bring you 300 plus pips easily. Honestly speaking, it's a really good book. Every extra sauce for trading are written in this book. You can gain this knowledge from the typical market gurus. Only a few people in the world are aware of these secrets. Now you can avail this book for only $29.99, which is really insane. Seriously speaking, only spending $29 will change the way you understood trading. It will be one of the best spending of your life. The book is available in our website. We have provided the link in the description below. So what are you waiting for? We are also providing a free version of this book. You can have a look at it before you decide to purchase this holy grail. So go get the book and understand how the market really works.